met your father this morning. Now, he is the head of the All India Lingayat Mahasabha. He is a politician. But you are the chairman of this education institute, so it looks like all politician children in Karnataka get into either education or even others get into mining.
I think a lot of politician children are into education, what I've seen. But I have, my father was into politics since 81, but I started this institution in 2006. So once I did my master's and once I started thinking what do I do next, being an entrepreneur, then I started on my own with a couple of my friends together.
So the younger generation of politicians in Karnataka, the children don't want to join politics, they would rather be entrepreneurs.
I feel.
Yeah?
Yes.
So what's going to happen to all these young students who you're in your college?
We are pushing them to Bangalore. We are the nearby. People go to Bangalore, people go to Pune, people go to Bombay from
So they get degrees from Karnataka colleges,
exactly.
But they don't get jobs in Hubli at all.
Yes, because a lot of girls, especially the girl children, their parents are very conservative here in Hubli. We have a lot of Marwadi community coming here, and they don't send their girl children to Bangalore or Bombay, Pune. So they expect them to be here only. If they have to stay back here, the job creation is very less.
Let me ask you in conclusion, your father plays the Lingayat, is very strong about the Lingayat identity. What about you? Do you believe it equally strongly? Is caste a defining element for young people?
For me, as per my perception, I don't think so.
No?
I don't think so. The caste would be the major...
Caste is not an issue for you?
Not an issue.
Okay, let me ask all these young people that. Tell me, does caste matter for you in elections? Who is a Lingayat?